Okay, the primary cable is fastened. Check your pressure gauge.
Reading steady. Ready for inflation sequence on airbag 2.
We are approaching the critical angle. Maintain tension.
Roger that. Pressure holding steady at 3,000 psi.
Compartment 4 is clear. Maintaining pressure on the lines. Stress reading on cable 4 is stabilizing. Still agonizingly slow.
Copy that. Keep watching the thermal imaging on the hull.
Pull the boom tighter around the stern.
We're almost secure.
Keep that pressure steady on the pump.
The corrosion is severe on these frames.
Apply the patch here. We need immediate stabilization before the next survey.
The phase readings are stabilizing nicely.
Looks like a successful integration. The sonar is fully operational.
R value is stable at 0.98.
Confirmed. System integrity is optimal.